Come over here. I want to show you a magic trick. Grab the bowl.
Magic
It's a wicked magic trick.
Right.
Okay, see the water?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to make it disappear. Come here with the bowl. Okay, put the pole at the bottom of the bowl.
You're going to get the roof wet.
Nah, it's not that full. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, now wait, I've just got to go grab something else.
No what?
Go on your own.
James! Get the hell back here! James! James! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
You are so